December 28th, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I've been having a tough time getting the Arctic Cat going. It's been cold, but today it warmed up to -12. My little pump there that pumps gasoline to the carburetors didn't seem to be supplying any gasoline to the carbs. Last time I was out here it was -25. I put a little gas in the spark plugs there. Wouldn't even fire. So I don't know what's going on. I just got a little heater in there right now. Trying to warm things up. Try to warm up my battery here. I installed a battery lockout to help protect the battery when not in use. I found that it saves a lot of battery life on both my quad and the Skidoo. I have them installed. I haven't changed a battery in 4 years now on the quad. I have one installed in the quad here. Let's have a quick look underneath the quad. I hope you can see it. There's the key. It's onto the battery of the quad. Since I've done that, I've been able to keep that battery going, and they're expensive, so those lockouts are only about 20 bucks. But like I say, I got the heater going, and you gotta love the carbureted machines in this temperature. They can be finicky, but I think once I get it going here, I put some gasoline antifreeze in the tank. I think I might have a little bit of water issue, and that should take care of that. So I'll give it another maybe half an hour of warming here, and it's about +12, like I say. Let it warm up and try and get this sled going. I've had a lot of snow out here, and I gotta get the tracks packed down with a Skidoo, or because if I wait too long, I'm not going to be able to go sledding. As you can see, that's just about up to my knee there in snow, so I better get this thing running so I can have a little fun when the grandkids come out. All right, it's Miller time.